Hello folks, last week something really disastrous happened. I accidentally deleted one of my important folders and I couldn't retrieve the data. I know I'm being lazy of not taking my backup every now and then, but I thought let's put a permanent fix to this, and so I'm making this tutorial. I'll be talking about using rsync and leveraging the power of crontab to periodically call rsync. Now, for those of you who are not aware of these tools, these come pre-installed in each and every Linux distribution. Rsync is a tool that you could use to take backup of your data, and crontab is a nifty tool that you could use to schedule commands or shell scripts on a periodic basis. Okay, so let's get right to it. For the purpose of this demonstration, I've created this backup folder. I'll be taking the backup of these two dummy folders inside the backup folder. Now, to begin with, I'll create a text file. I'll call it my backup list. Now, the purpose of this text file is it'll store the list of all the folders and their paths, and every time rsync is called, it will go through this file. It will browse through all the folders in the list and take backup of those. So for example, I want to take backup of this folder docs. So I'll copy the path and paste it in this text file and save it. That's it. Now the next step is I need to add the rsync command to my crontab. First, you need to ensure that you do have access to crontab. To open up crontab, you need to type crontab space tech E in your terminal. A quick walkthrough about crontab usage. Over here you need to enter values for different time parameters and the path of the command or the shell script. For this example, if I want to run rsync every minute of every day, so I'll just write */1 for minute, * for hours. I don't care what hour it is, I want it to run every minute. I do not care what day of month it is, so I'll put * over here. Likewise, I do not care what month it is, and I need this command to run regardless of what day of week it is. Alright, so command would be rsync space tech R for recursive, meaning it will pick each and every subfolder and file inside the parent folder, and C for checksum. Well, it's just a different way rsync calculates the difference while it's taking a backup. The next argument is files from. Over here you need to mention the path of the list, which is this. Along with the name. Next argument is the source from where you want to pick up, and last argument is the destination. In our case, it's this folder backup. And that's pretty much it. Now, few of you would argue that it's not a good idea to put root as the source, but if you are cautious enough and if you write correct and complete path over here for each of your folders, it should be fine. and I really suggest you go through the rsync manual. There are a plethora of options that you could use, and it's really a simple yet powerful tool. Okay, we'll just exit from this editor, and now if everything is alright, everything is set up properly, I should be able to see the folders, docs inside my backup. I'm just hitting refresh. The script should work every minute, and I should see the docs folder any minute now. Alright, we got something over here. Let's just check what do we have. Test docs. Okay, seems it's working fine. Great. Now, like I said, you just need to mention the path of the folder and include it in this list. That's all you need to do. So let's take this folder, pictures, and let's say I want to take backup of this as well. So I'll just include that in the file, save it, and we'll see the magic happen in just a moment. Again, I'm hitting refresh. There you go. So it works perfectly fine. Alright, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let me know if you have any queries or any comments. I really hope you found this informative and useful. Thank you so much.